Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create and share your WhatsApp profile QR code on your Android device. To do this guys, first you need to open your WhatsApp application on your phone. After this guys, on the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings, here you can get the option QR code scanner. As you can see, just tap on that and first you can get your WhatsApp profile QR code. So if you want to share this QR code to anyone, someone, to your friends, just you can get the option to share on the top right side corner. Just tap on it. From here you can easily share your WhatsApp QR code to anyone. After this guys, in case if you want to reset this QR code, on the top right side corner you can see three dots. Just tap on it and here you can get the option reset QR code. That's it. In case guys, if you want to scan another person profile QR code on your WhatsApp, here you can get the scan code option. Just tap on it. After this guys, from here you can easily scan another person's profile QR code on your WhatsApp. So this is a very easy and very simple method to do this guys. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. If you enjoy this video, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.